Hello guys, again welcome back to us me. So today I want to show you how to download Panda Gamepad Pro for free. As you know, Panda Gamepad Pro is paid apps in the Play Store, so yeah, I wanna give you it for free. Yeah, before I get started, so I wanna say you sorry about my English because my English is so bad, but I hope you understand what I'm saying here. Um, and please click subscribe button, like button below, and let's get started. To get started, please click link in the description below, and you will be directed to this page, same page as I open here, and then click green download button, and yeah, you will be redirected to server page. Please choose the server whatever you want to upload or receive share, but here I wanna choose to upload. Okay, for example, and then yeah, in here I lock the file, but please unlock this uh, complete the offer to unlock the file. Okay, uh, it will be a different every country, every language, and yeah, the offer will be a different. I think it will be apps download, games download, survey or sign up. But if you open from mobile phone, it's will be the offer will be give you the page will be offer you to download file or the game. But yeah, sometime it will be, yeah, quiz like this, surveys like this, or yeah, games download, apps download, games download. But yeah, just one. I will just the apps download because it will be uh, oh please, it's not available in here. Yeah, just whatever you want. Roblox knowledge. Okay. Oh, it's quiz. Okay, it's quiz. I don't I don't I don't know about Roblox, so yeah, let's try. Okay, I will speed up this until I complete this quiz. Yep, I complete the quiz. I chose the wrong answer, but yeah, here I made it. I unlock the file and then click leave page. Here we go. Download page opened. So yeah, let's go. Make sure to untick this. Okay, if you download from do upload, make sure to untick this option, download it add-ons, because if you check that option, so that will be download to upload apps or do upload extension if you open from PC. So yeah, let's go. Okay, download. Set. Yep, download. It's complete. Okay, let's open it. Okay, open it from file manager. From file manager to SD card to download, and then yeah, install Panda gameplay, our gamepad, and open. Yeah. Okay, here we go. It's opened. It's opened. Now you need to you need gamepad to connect to this phone. So yeah, and here I'm done. I show you how to download these apps. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching. Make sure to click subscribe and like button, and yeah, make sure to complete the offer, survey, quiz, or download apps before you download, because yeah, that's make me a little bit of money. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye.